So we got some 350 degree oil, and we got Lori. She's making some chicken. We're gonna try it in our discata. Hopefully I didn't overfill it with oil.
Put them all in there?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's still got a long way to go before it's going to overfill. I think it's all right. Yeah. You know what they say in the hood? Heck yeah. Or something like that. Yes. Look at how nice that is. All righty. And I don't have any video editing software, so you're going to get a lot of pauses in here. So all that chicken, and it cooled it down to about 315. So we'll get her back up to temp here. Man, look at how nice that is, huh? For the first time, and it's just starting to gold. We'll get it cooked and get an instant read on it. And I don't remember, I better look. Chicken, what is chicken, 165 or 170? We'll find out. Don't let her fool you. She's a professional and she knows what she's doing. Check the oil temperature again. We haven't done this, so I'm gonna have to check the oil temp a lot. I want to keep it right where I'm trying to cook it at 350, but the temp dropped a little when it's not warmed up incredibly much either. How's that steam working out for you? They look friggin' delicious. Oh yeah. Look how nice they are.
I'm hopeful. Let's turn it down.
Oh, honey, I mean, that looks frickin' killer. How long do you suppose it takes to cook? 5 minutes?
No, it says like 12 minutes, something like that. Then you got, I don't know, those are bigger pieces, so I'm guessing it'll take
Stick an instant read in it. Oh, I'm still recording as we're talking. All right. Let's see where it's at. Stick it in one of the bigger ones and see. And how high are we bringing that? You can pull it out.
165.
Perfect. Another 100 degrees to go. We'll pause it again. Be right back.
It's the dog.
Lori's still full of hope. So we don't know, but what'd you say? 12 minutes?
Yeah.
Ish.
Well,
And what's it been, about 5?
yeah.
So the video's about 4 minutes so far, and I think it's been cooking about 5. So I'm going to put it on pause and we'll see what happens. Oh, I'd give them all the... No, the chicken, I'd give it all the spin move. Oh, heck yeah. That should really help with seasoning this bad boy, huh?
Yeah.
Give it a stick now on this side. See. Well, it's only 10 degrees hotter. Oh, look at that. Those are getting close.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, this is the best fried chicken I've seen made. Not quite 145, huh? Don't touch the bone.
Almost.
Almost. Too bad this wasn't a smell-a-phone. There we go. Now they're coming up. 130-ish.
How's it going down? That's just weird.
Who knows? Just depends on where you're sticking it. Oh, this whole time, and I missed Lori working her magic with the yard bird. Honey, those look friggin' great. I don't know what that... Nils, get out of there. Look at how nice them look. Yum. Checking them again, 130s. That's all right. Let it cook a little more. Those legs got to be close, though. Get into the deep part. Not quite.
Yep. You're close.
Go into the deeper meat. Oh yeah, that one's done. The show.
You push it to the side, or do you want to push this one?
Let's try these.
No.
$150s, not quite. That's all right. It's not there. Not there. And there you have it, our first piece of deep fried chicken. It's a leg. And look at that. You know what's nice about those? You can even get enough hot sauce on that to kill the taste of the chicken. Oh yeah, that's good. Want to move your towel?
They use it for this. We'll just put it right through a...
Screen.
Yeah.
And 50s, not quite. Want me to get it up out of there for you? There we go. Oh. These other ones are bigger. We'll just let them go for a couple more minutes. Got the pond scum on there. The first ones. Yay! Just think how nice of them are going to taste. Just pounded with butter and hot sauce, so you can't taste the chicken. You just get that good buffalo. Oh yeah. Let me turn these over again. Take a gander.
Puppy.
Take a gander at that one. Down to 2.
Oh, that's not one.
Oh yeah. We got one last Lone Ranger in there. Doesn't want to play nice. Here comes the last piece. Let us give it a see, Lori. Our first try. Not too bad for amateurs. And there's some potatoes, and we're golden. It's always a pleasure.